Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Techie World. So in this video we are going to learn about CSS positions. Now there are 5 types of positions in CSS through which you can position a HTML element. These are static, which is a default position of a HTML element. After that we have absolute, relative, fixed and sticky. Now to change the default position, that is static, to any other position, we use CSS property position. So now let's go to our VS Code and understand how we can change a position of a HTML element. So friends, now I am on my VS Code and over here I have one HTML file and CSS file. So now first let me create one boilerplate and I will change the title over here, and after that let me create one div. Let me create one div over here. So div dot container, and after that let me put 4 items inside my container. Items, div dot item. After that let me use this trick to put similar type of tags multiple times at once. So you can see I got 4 items over here. Now let me save this and I'll go to my style part, and over here I will select my container, and after that first of all I'll provide it a border 2 pixel solid, or let it be dotted black. Okay, black. After that height of 500 pixel. After that width of let's say 100%, and after that let me select my container over here, I mean item over here. So item, first of all a background color of let's say anything, let's say blue. After that a border 5 pixel solid blue, not blue, red. Okay. And height of let's say 100 pixel, and after that width of 100 pixel. And I'll save this and I'll open this file in my browser. So over here I think so I forgot to link my CSS with my HTML, so let me link first. So link CSS, and now over here you can see I got my container and my items over here. So over here let me provide a display of inline block. Okay, inline block, and over here you can see I got my items in inline. And now so friends, now let me tell you about the positions. So friends, as I told you that position static is default position of a HTML elements. So when the position is set to static, we can't use these 4 properties of position. These 4 properties are left, right. Okay, after that we have top and we have bottom. Okay, top, bottom and left, right. So friends, when the position is set to static, we can't change we can't use these 4 properties of position. Those are left, right, top, bottom. Okay, so now let me show you. Let's say if I give a space from left of 40 pixel, let me save this first and I'll go to the browser. So you can see I didn't get any space from left of my item of 40 pixel over here. So now here if I'm providing the space as left 40 pixel, it is not throwing any error, but the space is not getting up, I mean the left space is not getting applied over there. So now if I want to use this 4 properties, what I can do is I can change the position to relative or absolute. So now let me save this, and you can see I got a space from left of 40 pixel to my all items over here. I mean you can see over here. And same way it can be top 40 pixel. Okay, so here you can see I got a space of 40 pixel from top of all my items over here. Now friends, let me provide a unique ID to one of my items over here. Item 1. Okay, and let me comment this line over here, and you can see over here. So I will select my item 1 over here, and position relative, and after that let's say top 110 pixel and right 50 pixel. Okay, now I'll save this and I'll go to the browser. So friends, you can see the item has moved 110 pixel from top and 50 pixel from right. Okay, so friends, now over here you can observe that when the item is moving from top or right, it is leaving behind some space at its original position. Okay, so now let's say if you don't want this space over here, and if you want to make 2 items overlap over here, you can use this similar position like a relative, that is absolute. Now when this position is set to absolute, what happens is the item will not leave any space over here, you can see. And let me remove this first over here and show you. And over here 1 2 3 sorry, wait, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, this is 4, and this one is 1. I'll save this, and over here you can see friends, I'm getting my item 1 3 4, but I'm not getting item 2 over here because item 1 and item 2 over here are getting overlapped. Now let me provide it some space from top, let's say 50 pixel. So now you can see my second item over here is visible, and my first item is also visible over here. Okay friends, so now now you can see when I'm moving my item from top or from right or anywhere, it is not leaving behind any space, but the second item over here is occupying the space. Okay, so friends, I hope you understood relative and absolute. So now let's understand position, sticky and fixed. So let's say what happens when the position is fixed, and position is fixed over here. Let me remove this, and I think so everything is fine over here. Now let me go to the browser. So friends, over here let me scroll my screen, and before scrolling let me set the container height to, let's say, 4500 pixel. So friends, as you can see, when I'm scrolling my screen over here, all the 3 items over here, 2 3 and 4, are not moving with my screen, but when when I'm scrolling, they're not moving with my screen. But this one item to which I've provided the position fixed property, it is moving along with the screen when I'm scrolling the screen. Okay, so it means it got fixed with the screen, and as soon as the screen will end, it will stop moving. Okay, so over here you can see. Now let me show you position sticky. Position sticky and sticky. Now let me save this, and over here I will create one more container, div, and over here class container 1. Okay, now I'll save this and I'll put this item 1. Wait a second. And over here I'll put this item 1 inside my container 1. Okay, I'll save this and I'll provide some style to my container 1. So container 1, and let's say a background color of let's say Bollywood, and after that a height of let's say 1200 pixel. Okay, and width of 100%, and a border 2 pixel solid green. Okay, now friends, let me save this and I'll go to the browser. So over here you can see I got my item 1 inside my container 1, and and item 2, 3, 4 inside my container 2, that is over here you can see. Now friends, let me provide the position of item 1 to sticky. I think so I've already provided it. Now top, let's say 40 pixel, top 40 pixel, and I'll save this. So friends, over here you can see I got a space of 40 pixel from top. Now let me start scrolling my screen, so you can see the item 1 over here is getting scrolled with my screen. So now you will say, okay, it is working same as fixed. But now let the container 1 end over here. So now you can see the item 1 is not moving. So friends, this is because the when the position is set to fixed, the item gets fixed with the screen, and as soon as the screen is there, it will move along with the screen. But when the position is set to sticky, item sticks with the container, and as soon as the container is there, it will move along with the container, and as soon as and when the container will end, it will stop moving. Okay, so you can see over here when the container 2 is starting, it is not moving over here. So friends, I hope you understood all the 5 types of positions in CSS. So I'll meet you in next video with some new CSS topics. So till then, be connected. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.